I've just recently figured out how to do this a little bit easier. Now, someone's probably figured this out before, but I haven't in all my years of doing this. So I thought I might share it on. So I'll just take this off. You open up the zipper to around about there, and then you want to slightly bend in these ends. Now, I'm not talking about bending the teeth so that you're damaging them. I'm talking about just easing them inwards so that they kind of curve. See how that one's curving a little bit? Okay. And when you grab the zipper slider, you've got to remember that there is a lock on zipper sliders. See that little pokey thing on the top? That's your little lock. So you need to position so that the handle of the zipper head is on the rounded side of it. So you hold it in that position, and then you hold your zipper with the two teeth sort of almost touching, and then you wiggle it until it clicks, and then you'll be able to just pull it up like that.